Tracy and I are trying something new. We're going to give a true and honest review. Banyan Botanicals. Ashwagandha is so good for your body, and Banyan Botanicals has put this together in a latte form, and we're going to try it out. So I have got the frother here, and I'm going to use cashew milk. I made this yesterday. So given the fact this is homemade cashew milk, this isn't going to be as frothy and beautiful if I was using half and half, but it's still going to be warm and delicious, so it'll be fine. And I'm going to fill that up, and I'm going to put in 1.5 teaspoons of the ashwagandha mix, and then we're just going to warm that up. And I am going to put it on the cappuccino setting just to get it really hot and as frothy as this can be. We've got that going. I love this company, Banyan Botanicals, and they actually have a test that you can take online, banyanbotanicals.com, to figure out where you might need a little bit of support. It is Ayurvedic, and they use herbs to heal your body. I have used many of their supplements, and I have really appreciated all of them. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon and cardamom on top because those are super good for your body as well, and I love the flavor that they add. And that cardamom, there's just nothing like it.
It's my first latte.
Can you believe that? It's her first latte and we hang around together. All right, mine's coming up. Okay, you know what? I forgot to add the honey, so I'm gonna add it properly with yours, and mine I'm just gonna put a little bit in. Okay. This one is from Jewel Farms, and they're local to me, and I like to get my raw honey locally, and then you get more benefits as far as the pollen in your area, and it helps with immunity. So I just twist the little honey thing, and I'm just gonna stick it right in there and let it melt down. I'm going to sprinkle just a teensy bit of cardamom on top, and a little bit more of cinnamon because I can add cinnamon. This is such a beautiful display. You're going to need a lot of honey.
Yeah, put a lot of honey in there.
All right, we're doing the cinnamon. Do you want some cardamom?
Yeah.
Okay.
Never had it.
I'll do
We'll
just
try
a
it.
little bit because it has another distinct
Flavor.
So good for you.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll just do a little bit. All right, here we go. Okay, the moment of truth. First time trying. Okay. Gotta mix that honey up.
I'm gonna mix it though.
You know what? I don't mind it at all. This could definitely be a soothing afternoon drink. We might disagree.
Okay. It might be something I need to get used to. That was very earthy.
It is. And so since I'm already used to this with the mushrooms and a lot of the herbs that I put in, I think it's delicious, personally, but I get how you would need to become accustomed to it, for sure.
It's not bad. I guess the third sip is much better than the first. It's not terrible.
And also there's a lot going on here. So we switched out the milk for cashew milk. So you got that going on. And then the ashwagandha. And then you've got some cardamom in here.
Yeah.
So
the only thing I'm used to is honey and cinnamon.
Yeah, that's right, exactly.
Well, I guess no, I drink cashew milk too.
So Banyan Botanicals, I am gonna give it a total thumbs up. I think it's an awesome beverage to get me over my afternoon hump. And even, you know, I would drink this soothing good at night. So cheers to you for even trying it.
Okay.
Today we are doing an honest review on the Banyan Botanical turmeric milk. So I have not tried this yet. This is the first time. We're gonna use, this is servings for 2, and I'm using homemade walnut milk today. and 1 tablespoon. All right, we'll go to the back one. Be sure to stir often. So turmeric is so good for your body. It is supposed to help you relax. It's great for circulation, digestion, shutting down inflammation, probably a whole bunch of things I don't even know because it's so good for you. And I am looking for that afternoon coffee replacement. I like something warm and soothing, even though we just worked out and therefore I look like this. But anyway, yesterday's Ashwagandha latte actually would work for me, and I'm anxious to see how this is because I do like a variety. All right, I just want to see a little boil. Come on, guys, come on. Now, I did not add any more sweetener, which we can, but I thought we would test it out and see how it is without any extra. All right, here we go.
Okay.
It's hot, so.
That one's better than yesterday.
It is good. I like it. I like it. Okay. I will sweeten it a little bit. I think that is a good idea. I love the flavor of turmeric, and to me it's not overpowering, but you're just not used to these kind of things.
No.
But they're so good for you, and a lot of times just knowing that something's so good for you is worth trying to get used to it. I think it's delicious. I definitely give it a thumbs up. And we just really decided that, you know, we said this was going to be an honest review. And so you have 2 different people with 2 different palates, and I'm used to certain things and she's used to other things. And so I think it's fabulous, and she's willing to try to get used to it.
Well, it went the same with the matcha tea. Like, I didn't like it at first, and now I love it. And I don't think you are very fond of it. But
No. But hey, Banyan, if you guys have some matcha something, I'd be willing to give it a try. Anyways, I want to thank you for watching, and you guys have a great day.
oh, well, here's our blooper.